Friends, welcome back to our channel. Dark circles under the eyes can make you look tired and older than your age. While lack of sleep is a common cause of dark circles, there are other factors that contribute to this problem, such as genetics, aging, and allergies. If you're looking for ways to reduce dark circles naturally, here are some tips. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can cause fluid buildup and make the blood vessels under the eyes more prominent. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night to help reduce dark circles. Use cold compresses. Apply a cold compress, such as a chilled cucumber slice or a cold tea bag, to your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes to help reduce swelling and discoloration. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can make the skin look dull and increase the appearance of dark circles. Drink plenty of water and avoid alcohol and caffeine, which can dehydrate the body. Eat a healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables can help reduce inflammation and boost collagen production, which can help reduce the appearance of dark circles. Manage allergies. Allergies can cause inflammation and make dark circles worse. Talk to your doctor about managing your allergies and taking antihistamines if needed. Use natural remedies. Natural remedies, such as almond oil, rose water, and aloe vera gel, can help reduce the appearance of dark circles. Apply these remedies to your eyes before going to bed and leave them on overnight. Protect your eyes from the sun. Sun damage can cause dark circles and make the skin under the eyes look thin and fragile. Wear sunglasses and use a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your eyes from the sun. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can help reduce the appearance of dark circles and achieve healthier-looking skin. Thanks for watching.